So where stop means yeah, poem. All of you, come on, all of you sing together once. Yeah, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Happy children, happy parents,
Parents,
high
for
for
the starlight
starlight
hidden
hidden in
in
your
your
soul,
soul,
dream
dream
deep
deep
for
for
every
every
dream
dream,
receives the
for
goal,
every
proceeds the goal.
Happy parents, reach high for starlight hidden in your soul. Dream deep for every dream precedes the goal.
Ah, very good, very good, very good, very good. Thank you, all of you. That poem finished. Then later we had seen that we have to respect everyone. Is it or not? Last class.
Yes.
Question
Yeah.
also.
And last class we learned about non-verbal communication.
Yeah, non-verbal communication, how the body language, or how our gestures and postures help us to clear our communication. That we had seen that the respect seen that.
And
Then
by
it is
showing our hand signals.
yeah,
Yeah,
hand
hand
signals. Yeah, that means different hand signals, body,
our
facial, and all that we discussed.
Like
emotions,
Then
emotions,
yeah,
expressions,
yeah,
expressions
exactly.
and
well,
emotional
expressions,
body language.
Very good, very
body
good,
language,
very
the
good.
way you sit,
Yeah,
the
the way
looks,
you sit, the way
the
you
look,
speak, the way you
the way
the
we
view,
look.
the way you look, and the way you behave. It's all covers your attitude. That means one is evaluating your attitude from your body language. The way you look, the way you stand, the way you your body movements from top to bottom. That's all we are discussed. And even the respect, why we need respect, why to respect others, and why we have to add the word respect to our personality. These two we heard. Am I right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Am I right? Yes, yes,
yes,
yes,
ma'am.
exactly. Why we respect others, Manav?
Respect
Why we
Say
need
good
to
about
respect
others
others?
happy.
Ma'am,
Yeah, to
to
make
make
others happy.
to make
Same
others
time,
Others
happy.
happy.
not only others happy, to become happy and to make others happy, we have to respect. The
and to
respect is the
say
word.
and to say
It's
the
a
good words
yeah,
about
good
us.
words. It's a good word. Not only the good word, it's a golden word. It's add beauty to you.
Gold.
It's all beauty to you, and respect you can earn from by giving only. Respect you can earn from by giving only. Unless and until you won't respect anyone, you are not going to get respect. Is it? We discussed that part too. Is it? That's what I asked you. You have to respect your parents. You have to respect your elders. You have to respect your teachers. Then you have to show respect to your siblings. That means your brothers and sisters, whether they are younger one or elder one. That part is completed. Am I okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I move forward now?
yes, ma'am.
We were talking about non-verbal
Yeah,
communication.
non-verbal communication. For a moment, I'm keeping that non-verbal communication there. Instead of today non-verbal communication, that's I told you the simply it's a big topic, that non-verbal communication, that I am not taking now. There is no need of to learn more about that now. That later, means in later coming classes we will see. Coming periods we will see. Okay. Now we'll see, like respect. We have to learn one another beautiful word, one another skill. That is very important in our life. It gives happiness to us, and we can spread happiness everywhere by using this word. The word is none other than the word is a gratitude. What a gratitude. What is the word? Gratitude. Gratitude. Have you heard this word?
Gratitude.
All of you, do you have page
Yes,
or
ma'am.
a pen and page by the side of you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, take a pen and page. Write the word first, gratitude, in a capital letters, in a bold letters. Come on. In a bold letters, write gratitude.
And what's the
Immediately.
spelling of gratitude?
G R A T I T U D E. Big letters. I want to see. If it is color pencil is there, you can use with a color pen or sketch pen or something else. Write down gratitude in a big bold letters. Then my dear children, very good. Manav writes. Then write below that the 5 situations.
Ma'am, what is
You
the
are-
spelling of gratitude?
G R A T I T U D E. Gratitude.
Ma'am, I have
Okay.
right
And see, my dear children. Yes, very good. All of you. Yeah. Now do one thing.
Ma'am, it is
Five situations. Yeah.
G-I-T-U-E-T.
Tude. T. Ta for tata. Tude last. Okay. Now write 5 situations where you are expressing gratitude. Example. I'm so thankful to my mom. Otherwise, I'm so thankful to my brothers who share ice cream with me. So like 5 situations immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm giving 3 seconds to you. Come on. Let me see who can finish within 3 seconds. Time starts now.
Ma'am, what should we do?
You should write the 5 situations where you are expressing gratitude. Wherever you are
And
using
your others.
the 5 situations where you are using the word gratitude or you are saying thank you. Gratitude means saying thank you, saying gratefulness.
Ma'am, what we should write first?
Ma'am, in gratitude, we need to write what
Right, only
others
first
did to
5
us.
situations. Only 5 situations. There is no need of big story, big examples, or nothing else. Only 5 situations you have to explore.
Ma'am, what we will do first? What will
Nothing,
write?
nothing. Gratitude written. Example. I'm so grateful. Otherwise, I'm grateful for my health. That is a gratitude. I'm grateful for my eyes. That's a gratitude. You are paying gratitude to Almighty. Come on, quick.
Ma'am,
Finish?
we can use every golden words.
Yeah, you can use, but only here we are discussing only the one word, that's gratitude. Gratitude is written in a bold letters, and we are making a gratitude calendar today. Down of that, you have to prepare 5 sentences or 5 situations how you are grateful to you, how you are grateful for. Okay? You can say right like that. I'm grateful for my friends and family. Yeah. Who finished?
Ma'am, what's the spelling of grateful?
Grateful means Grateful.
Ma'am,
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Nainika, you can. Come on fast. Who finished?
Mama, no.
Mano, come on. Read.
Mama, I'm thankful for my father for buying me skating shoes.
Very good.
I'm thankful for my mother for making me food and for my family.
Very good.
I'm thankful for my sisters for taking care of me.
Very good.
I'm thankful for my hands.
Hmm.
I'm thankful for my grandpa for repairing my cycle.
Very good. Great. Very cute. Okay.
Sarah.
Who finished now?
Ma'am, Sarah.
Sarah, come on.
Okay, ma'am. I'm
Loudly.
Okay, ma'am. I'm very thankful to God for giving me these precious things.
Yeah.
Then I'm thankful to my teachers to teaching us.
Hmm.
Then
Yes.
I'm thankful to my parents
Hmm.
to giving me what I said.
Then I'm thankful to my brothers to taking care of me. I'm thankful to my grandparents to making me a good girl. I'm thankful to God to give me a energetic body.
Very good. Now who is the next?
Ma'am Aditi,
Aditi. Come on, Aditi.
I am so thankful to my brother for helping me study.
Studies. Okay.
I am grateful to my mother for making me food and my family.
Very good.
I am thankful for my friend for sharing notes with me.
Okay.
I am thankful for God to giving me such a good eyesight and my body parts.
Very good.
I am thankful for my teachers
Ah,
for teaching me.
good. Very good. Wonderful. Who is the next? Who finished?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I joined now because I was facing some network issue.
Okay, no problem, my dear. We are discussing the beautiful word gratitude. Gratitude means expressing thankfulness or appreciation or gratefulness to someone. So here I asked to write gratitude in bold letters, and later I asked you to write the 5 situations or 5 thankfulness or gratefulness to so and so. So you can also start now. Okay, who finished now?
Ma'am Hrithvi,
Hrithvi, come on.
I am thankful for my parents for giving me happy. So I'm thankful for my friends for playing with me. I'm thankful for my teachers for giving me knowledge. I'm thankful for my siblings who make me happy. I'm thankful for my parents for giving me things which I asked them. I'm grateful with my hair. Mm, I'm thankful for giving me a great life.
Wow, great. Good. Who is ready, Kirtana? Come on.
I give thankfulness to my God for giving me a beautiful life. I thank my parents for giving me everything I ask. I thank my brother for playing and making me happy. I thank my teachers for teaching me a good lessons and knowledge. I thank my mother for making me and my family tasty and yummy food.
Very good. Janvi, coming to you, Juvan. Wait.
I am grateful for my parents who buy many things and care for me. I am grateful for all my teachers for teaching me and my friends. I am grateful for all my body parts to help me in my daily life. I am grateful for my family for everything they do to me. I am grateful for my younger sister for playing with me.
Wow, very good. Joan?
I am grateful. Ma'am, I am
Thankful?
Ma'am, I am thankful for my family. Family to.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
To make me a good boy. Ma'am, I am thankful for my teachers to teach me and my friends. I am thankful for my brothers to share food with me. I am thankful for my grandparents to play with me.
Good. Who is now ready? Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my friends. I am grateful for my teachers. I am grateful for my elders. I I'm thankful for God.
Very good. Nainika? Ridvi, sit there.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I am thankful for my parents for giving me
Hmm.
everything.
Hmm.
I am thankful
Hmm.
my sister for
Hmm.
playing with me.
Hmm.
I am grateful for my teachers.
Okay, very good.
I'm
So all of you written. Yeah, Felix, come on.
I'm thankful for my mother for feeding me.
Yeah, good.
I'm thankful for my father for buying something for me.
Good.
I am thankful for my granny for looking me if my mother went for any urgent situations.
Very good.
I am thankful for my teacher for giving me knowledge.
Wow, very good. Great. Hmm.
I am thankful for my sister for playing with me.
Hmm.
I'm thankful for God for giving me a good life.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, Devarsh.
Ma'am, I am thankful to God that God saves me from the corona. I am
Wow,
thankful for
great.
my parents
Ah.
that
Hmm.
she looks me when my hand was broken.
Ah.
I am thankful for my teachers that
Hmm.
teach me.
Ah.
I am thankful for my sister. She
Ah.
helps in my daily life.
Yeah, very good. Who is remaining now?
Ma'am, Anjima.
Yeah, come on.
Ma'am, I am thankful to God give me a good life.
Good.
I am thankful to my mother making me very happy and
Yeah.
caring and feeding me.
Hmm.
I am thankful to my father for suffering every day and to my family.
Wow. Good. Ah.
My brother who
Hmm.
helps me in everything.
Hmm.
I am thankful to every teachers who help me in my every studies.
Hmm.
I am very thankful to my friends who come to play with me and share the notes, everything. Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So can we move further?
Ma'am.
Who is remaining?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Navneet.
Yes, Navneet. Yeah, you
I
all
am
can.
thankful to my father because he gave me a gift. I am thankful to my brother because he gave me cookies. I am thankful to my mother because she makes buffet for me.
Good.
I am thankful to my brother because he helped me in my studies. I'm thankful to my teacher because they teach me and everyone. I'm thankful to God because giving a good teachers.
Wow, very good. Wonderful. Wonderful, Navneet. So my dear, who is Aditi? Come on. Come on.
Did you take anything?
Yeah?
Ma'am, Dia, can
Yes, Dia.
I am grateful to God for my body parts. I am thankful for my friends for sharing notes. I am thankful for my teachers for teaching me and friends.
Okay.
I am thankful for my family. I am grateful for my brothers for
Wow.
helping me.
Great. So from this, what we learned? Yes, Felix, anything? What we learned? This
Siddhi.
gratitude. Yeah, Siddhi. Yes, Siddhi. Come on.
I am grateful to my friends and parents.
Ah.
I am thankful to my mother who bring me to this world.
Oh, very great.
I am grateful to my parents who take care of me and love me.
Yes.
I am grateful to God who gave me a good life. I am thankful to my teachers.
Very good. Anyone?
Mama,
Yeah, Mayuk.
I am thankful for God who gave me a good life. I am grateful for my teacher who teach me. I am grateful for my family who make me happy. I am grateful for my ears and hands. I am thankful for my sister who play with me. I'm over.
Yeah, over. So, my dear students, the gratitude, the beautiful word which we are using, or it's the ability to recognize or acknowledge the good things. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
To recognize or acknowledge the good things which we are receiving, whether it is in the form of living or in the form of non-living way. Is it? Whether it's a form of materialistic or abstract way. Am I right? We are now stop writing. Now listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's a time to listen. Okay, now it's a time to listen. Actually, you, the fifth students, fifth standard, still you behave like small children in third standard, like that. Like you are always playing with your books, pens, and moving here and there. It won't be like that. In this virtual classes, you must be very attentive. You are very cutest face over here. Okay. So, as we had seen just now, gratitude, it's a beautiful skill. And this, from where we are getting, it is not only the getting, it is giving to. Is it? It is a part of acknowledgement or appreciation. It's a part of acknowledgement or appreciation or to recognize. To recognize means
Ma'am, to recognize.
to recognize and acknowledge the good things. Acknowledge the good things from person or place. Am I okay now? Means correct now? To recognize the good things from person or place. It's a really divine. Mostly all of you used the common gratitude. The common two gratitudes you are paying. Srihari, why you kept your video off? So you Sean, you people expressed Manav two common attitudes, common gratitude. Common, you check from it, you will prepare a gratitude list. A gratitude list. When I asked to prepare a gratitude list, from all of you, the common two things we can see that. What are the two things?
Thankful and grateful.
Thankful and grateful is the beautiful word, but to whom? One it is for the parents, another for the
Parents, teachers, and friends.
parents, teachers, God.
And God.
God Almighty. There is no doubt. Am I right? So we are here. It's only though our mother is carrier is the reason, but the real what? It's of our God. So the Nainika. So the first we are indebted to. And our gratitude first we have to show to whom? The Almighty. To whom?
Almighty.
Then the next to whom?
God.
Then the next to whom?
Mother.
Parents. Then the parents, because of them only. Since the day we were born. Since the day, children, listen me. Since the day we were born, they are taking care of us. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right? Yes, they are taking care of us and they are looked after us every moment, in every second. Might be your mom, you is nearby you. How many of your mom is just standing or sitting or over there by the side of you? How many of you? Just raise your hand. Who? Manav's mother is with him. Navneet mother is there, and Tanvi's mother is there, and rest of other mothers, they are the working woman. Ridvi.
No, ma'am.
That
My mother is in hospital. My mother is
they are at home now.
room.
At home now at present. How many of your moms are at home now?
Ma'am, my mom is in home, but when I'm attending.
No, just I'll ask one question. It is very clear. How many of your moms are not with you at present? Just raise your hand. Not with you now. Not with you now. Now. At this moment. Only Felix. Then Ajaz and yeah. Then Siddhi. Okay.
I
First thing you do.
home.
Your rest of all of your moms are at home now. Rest of all of your moms are at home now.
Ma'am,
my
mom is home.
Yeah.
Mother is
We'll do one thing. Just for a second. Just for a second. You just go to your mom and say thank you and give a hug and come back immediately within 2 seconds. Come on. Keep your headphone down. Move fast. Come on. Go to your mom and go to your mom. See Siddhi went. Aditi went. Go to your mom. Say thank you and give a hug and kiss to her and come back. Come on. Yeah, Siddhi reached faster. Siddhi got first prize. Aditi is the second. Madhav is the third. Nihari is the fourth. Then who? Haira is the fifth. Then
Ma'am, I went.
Reena is the seventh. Okay, Divya is the eighth. Wow, very good, very good. See, my dear children, what you felt now, just a moment you passed, what you felt now after saying gratitude and after embracing her, what you felt? Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you are happy after saying gratitude or after saying thank you or embracing her? How many of all of you? How many of your moms become happy? All are. They just started to laugh. You see, smile. They may thought of why you people are moving around. Is it? They may ask Janvi. Is it? They may ask her.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What she asked her? Okay. She may ask her. See, children, this is what my simple saying gratitude, simple showing gratitude or saying thank you or gratefulness to someone, we are receiving in return, we are receiving a great positive energy. Am I right? Have you got a positive energy now? Have you enjoyed the moment, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you enjoyed it, and they too enjoyed. Yeah. Yeah.
Kissed me too.
My mommy kissed you too. How many of your mom kissed you now? Just now?
Ma'am, my mother is
Great. From a common kiss to all of you from my side. Okay. Okay. From your teacher side too. Okay. Receive it. Okay. So, my dear children, this is what the strength of energy of gratitude. That gratitude or saying thank you or expressing readiness to appreciation always give happiness, a positive energy. Positive energy. So that is what we have to speak very politely. We have to speak very clearly down to earth to our parents. Sometimes they may fail to fulfill your demands. Am I right? Sometimes you keep a high demand. I need ice cream at 10 o'clock night. Otherwise, you may just You may just ask them. Yeah. Mana, what you are doing? Otherwise, you may just ask to them, I need the new clothes day before. Means tomorrow is my birthday. At any cost, I need the new clothes. But poor parents, sometimes they are unable to fulfill your demands. So what you people are doing, Avantika?
Ma'am, if they can
Ah.
fulfill our demand, they would be sad to
What they will do? You may use some harsh words to them. Is it? Is it?
Yes.
When they are unable to fulfill your demands, what you will do? You may use some harsh words to them. Is it or not?
Which makes them sad.
Yeah, which makes them sad. They are fulfilling 100 things. Navneet, who played? They are fulfilling 100 things. They are fulfilling your demand. 100 demands they are fulfilling. Navneet, am I right? But some of the teachers, they were unable to fulfill at least one small wish of you. That time, how you be? You become very violent. So just think about my children. Since from your birth you were looked after by your parents, is it right to do like this?
No.
No. Okay. Anyway, now it's the time to finish. It's about to finish.